Dude, make sure you put your thumb on the thing. Hold on, I'll do it all at the same time. Safe, right?
Okay. Come on, I call that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Then you?
Okay, you gotta get yours and your other one going on. Here.
Oh.
There's the thing. Do you have to actually hold the thing?
Yeah, put your thumb on it.
It's at the top.
It's on the bottom now. Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Dude, what the hell?
Hey, we got one out of thing.
Oh, what the hell? We're like throwing our backs out. Here, you gotta pull that thing.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
What is this thing? You get any choice?
Where's your hat?
Supposed to get a hat. Yeah, you're supposed to get something in it.
Yeah.
Well, my hat's broken.
I got a Mary thing.
Is it supposed to be like that?
No, yours is broken.
What's this shit? Is that a sticker? Oh no, I guess mine is broken. What are these things? You're supposed to put this on your finger?
Do you want another one?
Yeah. Give me the other one.
Can everybody load up on a little bit of food here? It's freezing
I
cold.
want to blow up some more shit. Bring them all out. Let's blow them all up.
Don't swear. You see that thing's recording.
Yeah, it's recording. What's with this thing?
Hey, Merry Christmas.
That's what you get when you get cheap ones.
I wonder if Canada people do this, do they?
Yeah, it's got to be.
Not really.
Alright, I got the gold one. Here. This won't fit my head, dude. I got like an oversized skull.
Where's the sprouts?
Right here.
Oh. Yeah. Thanks, baby.
Cranberry sauce is here. Oh, I've got canned corn for you. I forgot to cook it. Really should have your glasses on. So if Harley's 18, then Corey's got to be